G'day YouTube, just a quick video of a fence I put together and just pet proofing it, just showing what I'm doing to stop the dogs from digging out from under the gates. So I've used pet mesh and 70 by 100 treated posts. They're termite resistant, but I'm not too worried. If I get termites, I'll just replace them down the track. So the dog mesh has got thin holes at the bottom and thick holes at the top, which I actually got round the wrong way when I started. I had to pull it off and flip it around, which is a bit of a pest. I'm just building, this is a form I'm going to build, so I'm just putting canola oil inside a bit of plumbing pipe. What that does is allows you to pull the form off without it sticking. You can use canola oil, you can probably use WD-40, use whatever really, just because it can stick more if you're using timber, but if you're using plastic, probably less likely to. I'm pulling this off pretty much straight away, but I did it anyway just in case. So that's what the canola oil's for, just so when you strike it, it comes off. I didn't have any Rio or steel to put in it, so what I did was I had a few star pickets. I just buried a star picket in the trench. So I sort of cut it in half and just buried it, the one down and two sort of facing up like a Y, and I've just concreted under it and around it. So that'll give it structural strength when a truck or whatever, if I get a cement truck in, drives over it, it's not going to bugger up the footing. So that's the form there, it's cut ready to go. So I didn't cut it long enough, so I made two pieces and did it that way. I mean, this is pretty rough work. I really don't give a shit how it looks. I could stay here for half an hour and get it all perfect if I wanted to, but it's got to be functional. It doesn't have to be too pretty. I'm out in the country, so, you know, as long as it works, keeps the dogs in. You can see there the fencing goes all the way to the ground, and it's actually hammered in with tent pegs, so they can't really dig down there either. It's going to be a bit of a mission for them. There's the other, that's actually on the side of one of the house footings, so that's now straight concrete right across there. I've just sort of thrown some bits of timber and troweled it off smooth. It's sort of like a loose form just to stop the concrete moving too much, and I just put a bucket behind it to hold it in place. So I'm not even hammering stuff in and doing proper forms. I'm just sort of, it's pretty rough. Anyway, just you can see the fence and how I've done it. Cheers, thanks for watching.